Guys, this is Tara with eXp Realty, and I'm going to give you a tour of Rodrock's Santa Fe 1.5 story. And it's 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, and 4-car garage. So let's go take a look at it. When you enter, you're gonna go right. There's a storage closet. Laundry room over here. Right off of a master closet. The master closet leads into the master bathroom. Double-headed shower. Which leads, there's the laundry room, so this is the hallway. And the bathroom is right there. Has its own entrance in the bedroom. Tile fireplace, shelving, nice big deck, which leads us to the dining room. All of the natural light. And this is what your view looks like. Kitchen. Everybody loves the handles. Large island. All right. I also like the spice rack. Okay, this door goes to one of the garages. This only comes with the 4-car garage. Lots of storage here. This leads to the other two-car garage. And then there's also more storage. And right off the garage is the half bath. This can be used as an office or another bedroom. And it has another bathroom over here. Tall ceilings. Nice shower. They continued the gold holes in here. All right. Now we're going to go upstairs. Some nice area up here. Nice landing for the kids. Or sitting area. More storage. Okay, so there are 3 bedrooms up here, each with their own bathroom. Here is the first bedroom we're going to look at. Hallway leads to a closet. All right. The bedroom. Now we are going to look at the bathroom. Okay, let's move on to this one now. This is the second one. With its own closet. Third bedroom upstairs. The view. A slot. And the closet. Okay, there's also another furnace up here, as well as one in the basement. Let's check the basement out. You have the option to finish the basement. Furnace, water heater. Patio. And check the deck out and review. Thanks guys for touring the Rodrock Santa Fe 1.5 story home with me. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. My number is 913-404-2623, and I can't wait to talk to you guys. Any other questions, text, email, you know the drill. All right, guys, I'm out. Bye.